point rejected some aid from the British government worth £600,000. Why? Because he saw it was as an ideological war. He had an ideological fight, and Britain wasn't ready to let Nigeria go. And you have to go wine in Nigeria. If I get Babu, how do we survive? Nobody. Obligate Nigeria want freedom as Biafrans. Obligate with this measure. Everybody will right to fight for free self-determination. Yes, I have the right too. When no school serve, I go meet in the IPOB. And me, confirm when no school as a student. But I'm not a follower. I don't believe in followership. I have a mind of my own. So there are a lot of things I don't agree in this struggle. A lot.
Inekuna Biafra as a country or as a project is not feasible.
Biafra as an
not achievable.
Biafra as an ideology will not die. Obligan ideology. Just like Catholicism now.
Okay.
You know, Catholicism Christians guy. Now, it has been sold in the mind of the people. We see Biafra as our Messiah. But this Messianic tendency is doing us more harm than good. Nobody is your Messiah. You are your Messiah. When you talk about I talk about Messiah. I wear this emotional appeal once it comes to Biafra because actually, yes, Ojukwu went to that war for self-determination. He didn't plan for war. Why thought that? Ogun declare war. What he declared was Biafra. He didn't declare war. Ojukwu tried countless times to resolve that case. Can they deceive go on? Or the same one daughter deceive go on? And to today, go on openly to deny it. He was used as a political puppet. Most of us are being used by our people for personal aggrandizement. Most of us get use. You know, most people know how to masquerade personal interest as public interest. And we give Biafra. And we can now but with time, most of these things go away. So if I want to stand there, if I get make to me, Biafra may not be the solution. Because any Biafra get time we keep busy one. Biafra baniru ngadi happy. But for the first thing I get me, kai chop ta godo wine, malon daibu. Kusi Igbo wine. Ndi Igbo sigini gwe bike. Kusi Igbo elders, kusi obro mmadụ si no believe on if you see say anwuru. Mba. Gini ka Sunday Igbo ji wepụta na prison easily. You know why? All the same cause on our fight can the kind of fight for. Mandi was now agwa ya megini as a loop. What we call them none.